Ang alam natin kasi about cocaine users, hindi lang isang ganon yon, hindi lang isang singhot, no? Tuloy-tuloy yan. Bakit ka naiyak, Cathy?
Siyempre naalala ko yung yung nangyari sa kapatid ko.
Yeah, yes.
And like, until now, sa family niya.
Yeah.
Nakakalungkot lang.
Yeah.
And you know, I can see rin kasi na, in a way, parang yung presidente natin, parang victim din ng trauma.
Yeah, yes.
So, nakakalungkot lang. Alam mo yung niya, na like, gagamit siya ng tao.
Yeah.
Sana nga, sabi ko nga, Lord, sana nga, hindi ko gagawin, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero parang, syempre inisip ko rin yung mga anak niya.
Yeah.
May anak din ako.
Yeah.
Pero parang,
there was this white powdery substance in his nose, no? And I'd like you to take a look at it. Have you seen this, no? Na biglang may lumapit sa kanya. There's that white substance on his nose, no? And what's shocking is just if that were cocaine, no? He did it during the araw ng kagitingan. Walang boundaries. Walang boundaries na, no? There you see it. And then somebody gives him panyo para tupo na. So, in other words, people are covering up for him. This is what I've seen with this man. There you see? So, people have been covering for this weak person ever since, no, from the very start, on the strength of just his family name. He's really done nothing of worth, no accomplishments of his own, except that family name of his father.
in a way, you know, what I mean, like, where are we right now?
Yeah.
Di ba, what's happening? And this is like, ilan lang tayo. Imagine if they can do this to a certain individual, they can do this to the masses. And they're doing it to KOJ.
Ang advantage if they will file a case against you is that you can also compel the court or the judge na ipalabas yung ibang witness mo to corroborate your story.
Exactly.
The court can force other people to corroborate your story.
Can they be forced to have a drug test if they sue Cathy?
Kasi
hindi pa.
Hindi pa. But I think
Okay.
it's more than fair to demand for it. Kasi hindi lang ang dami ng for example si Nikki Cositeng, right, si Senator, and then we have the former president, we have now Miss Cathy, we have the PDEA. So I think that there is a lot of circumstantial evidence, more than just one or two or three, proving that there is demand from the people, a legitimate demand from the people for the president to take that kind of test to prove to the people that you are competent to lead the country. Because they're not asking whether you're a drug addict. Who cares about that? But they're asking, are you competent enough to lead our country? Parang ganun lang siguro.
And I think he really owe it to the people.
Yes.
All the leaders owe it to the people. We put them there.
But my question, is it beyond them, no? That group, including the president, to think about, I don't care about, because you're saying, they owe it to us, diba? But now that he's in power, he can think, I don't care. I'm president now. I don't need to. Is it beyond them to think that way?
Yeah.
They're shameless about it.
Yeah, they are. Parang,
What about members of Congress na may member din ba sa circle na yun? Or at least malapit sa circle na yun? Na gumagamit din ng cocaine? Yeah.
Talaga?
Oo naman.
It's so hard to fathom.
They party there.
Wow, it's really a party drug. No?
It's really a party drug. And again, nakakalungkot kasi may mga anak din kayo, may mga apo kayo, you know, and you're normalizing the abnormal. So how can you lead this country if you think that way? You're not, you know, it's all about the money, fame, power ba? So sige, let's see when God will parang singiling kayo. Bukas makalawa, hindi natin alam na mangyayari sa inyo.
Pero siguro you must na kahit paano naman I can isipin na wala naman sa Senate kang kilala at nakita. Member of the Senate. Hopefully wala ka naman nakita.
Now?
I mean, at least mga members ng Senate.
Ay, wala po. In fairness, ha?
Ay, salamat.
Hello po sa mga senator. Wala po ako nakitang nagda-drugs sa senators. Ayan,
ang baba naman talaga ng standard na natin, ano? Uy, hindi ka
wala
drug
akong
addict.
nagda-drugs sa senator. Alam mo, ano yun? You know, it's so different when, you know, senators are so different from, not naman every congressman, pero yung thinking talaga may integrity eh. Most of them, like, okay, fine, nadadaan sa joke and everything, pero when you talk to them, they have the integrity.
They have the country in their sides.
Yeah, like,
kahit
yung iilan siguro, merong sariling may sariling interest, pero you know, they can unite.
Yeah.
They can, and like I think they can see through your and I think lang ha, this is me. This is whenever, kasi I watch Senate more than Congress.
Yeah.
To be honest, kasi
Yeah.
I find them more intellectual when they talk.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung gano'n? Kasi
Yeah.
I like people who speak intellectually and
Yeah.
with, minsan makikita mo sa puso nila na talagang
Yeah.
may concern. Alam mo yun? Yun.
At least now we have an institution to demand. Kasi at least naman, kung compromise ang Congress natin, at least we have the Senate to wala ba kayong gagawin dyan?
Opo.
Pwede kayo magpatawag ng Senate investigation in aid of legislation. How can we protect our people from the use of illegal drugs? We
Yeah.
have here a witness willing and able to testify sa mga nangyayari. At least we can demand that from Senate.
Oh yeah. I heard, baka patawag ako.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
great.
How do you feel
welcome.
about that?
I'm
That's
good.
great.
Yeah.
That's great.
You know, if you're telling the truth, nothing to be scared. Walang script. Diba? They will do anything. They will degrade me. They will question my integrity, my
Yeah.
character, and everything. Okay
alam
lang
mo
po.
yung sinasabi mo, no, about the senators. I get what you're saying kasi the ones who illegally detained us were the people in Congress, no, and though I got a clear look kung sino itong mga congressmen na ito.
Yeah.
At saka talagang walang prinsipyo itong mga ito, no, mga
Yeah.
small time, very parochial ang mga concerns nila. And so now yung mas palala ng palala yung yung nagagawa niya, no? Kasi parang for me, no, there are many portals of evil to the world, and one of that is addiction. So if you have an addict in your family will feel that evil. There's been nothing but grief and suffering. So what more if it's a president, no?
Yeah,
He's
naiyak
open.
tuloy ako ngayon.
Yeah. So ang alam natin kasi about cocaine users, hindi lang isang ganon yon, hindi lang isang singhot, no? Tuloy-tuloy yan. Bakit ka naiyak, Kathy?
Siyempre naalala ko yung yung nangyari sa kapatid ko.
Yeah, yes.
And like, until now,
Yeah.
sa family niya,
Yeah.
nakakalungkot lang.
Yeah.
And you know, I can see rin kasi na, in a way, parang yung presidente natin, parang victim din ng trauma.
Yeah, yes.
So, nakakalungkot lang. Alam mo yung niya, na like, gagamit siya ng tao.
yeah.
Sana nga, sabi ko nga, Lord, sana nga, hindi ko gagawin, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero parang, syempre inisip ko rin yung mga anak niya.
Yeah.
May anak din ako.
Yeah.
Pero parang, sana isave niya yung sarili niya, tsaka yung pangalan nila. Parang kung pwede, okay, I'm done. Hindi ko na to kaya.
But there's
I'm
nobody,
letting it go.
Kathy, there's nobody in his circle who loves him enough to say, I love you. You should step out to rescue him from himself, to save him from himself.
You know, I think Senator Amy sana, kasi mabait, si Senator Amy,
Yeah,
I see her as a good person. Sana siya. Kasi siya rin yung sorry po. Kasi nahihirap.
Would you think that Senator Amy na alam niyang gumagamit si President?
Opo. Alam niya. And some of the relatives also.
So this fact is not actually a secret, no?
No.
It's not a secret. Maraming may alam.
Opo.
Maraming
Marami.
can testify to it. And
Opo,
you know of people who can actually testify to
Marami
it.
po. And I heard there are some din. Kasi like, talagang merong magte-testify kasi
Yeah.
parang we're not, if you're a friend, you will save a friend
Yeah.
na lalong lumubog, di ba? If you're a friend, you don't teach your friend bad things.
And
You don't tolerate.
And you had a brother, no,
Yeah.
mine as well, who was into drugs, no,
Yeah.
and we know that yung makakasira pa sa isang pamilya at saka doon sa user ay yung mga nagtatakip sa kanya,
Yeah.
diba? The ones who enable him are the ones who destroy him,
Yeah.
diba? So now what I see right now, no, when you keep covering up for a president like this, no, is that he's using the entire government as his enablers, like when that cocaine video came out, no?
Yeah.
It has already been declared authentic, no?
Yeah.
By Deepware.
Yeah.
And yet, right away, the pambansang enablers, no? Sila Gibo Chodoro, si Abalos, even si E.S. Bersamin,
Yeah.
right away scampered to cover up for him, no?
Yeah, yung move na yon makikita niyo agad na there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Parang you're so defensive with everything. Kasi, ang kailangan lang naman gawin dapat doon ng actually, presidente itself eh. If like, sabi niya, hindi po totoo yan, go in front of the camera kasi dapat ikaw ang sumasagot. Ngayon nga lang ako nakakita ng presidente natin na hindi humaharap masyado. Yung parang hindi siya sumasagot, iba sumasagot para sa kanya. Kaya nakakalungkot kasi, kaya nga ako yun, naiyak ako na, oh my God, look at that. Parang, you know for a fact that he's not the one leading it eh.
Yeah.
It's
Kathy,
the people who surround him.
yeah, I'm sorry that we've run out of questions.
It's okay.
Of time,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. But
Yeah.